after a car accident, you need the insurance company to pay you so you're not stuck with bills. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to greatly increase the chance that the insurance company pays you. You're going to learn how to get paid potentially hundreds or even thousands more for your claim. How to outsmart the car insurance company with simple lawyer-level tactics. And I'll even show you how to use this to settle your car accident claim in record time. But there's a word of warning with this too, so we'll look at why this might not be the best idea either. But before we get onto that, let me show you why this likely won't just get you more money, but may actually get you paid faster. Years ago, when I started representing people in car accidents, I'd hear the number one worry. People would say, I just want my car fixed. Even if they were injured, their main focus was usually getting their car fixed. Can you blame them? Most people need a car to get to work. Take, for example, Jim, who was doing nothing wrong when a car crashed into his car. Jim did what most people would do. He filed a claim with the other driver's insurance company and waited. And waited. Waiting for an insurance payout can feel like waiting for rain in a drought, hopeful but disappointing. Finally, the email came in. He opened it expecting a fair deal, but the offer he saw was way less than expected, especially considering there was still a hefty amount to pay on his car loan. Now, if that sounds bad, listen to this. Sometimes the other driver's insurance company can take their sweet time, up to 60 days, to investigate the claim and pay you. This can happen even if the other driver admitted fault right after the crash. And guess what? Companies like United Auto actually send out letters saying they might take that long. But don't get them mixed up with USAA. They usually handle things much better. 60 days? Imagine waiting that long while bills are piling up and you don't have a car to get to work. Just when Jim thought he was stuck, I gave him a piece of advice that changed everything. But before we get there, let's bust some myths that most people believe when dealing with insurance companies. Myth 1, if the insurance rep is friendly, they'll give me a good deal. Nope, they're trained to be friendly. It doesn't mean they're your friend. Myth 2, if I'm not at fault, my insurance rate won't go up. Not always true. Sometimes rates go up for reasons beyond our control. Myth 3, the insurance company has to give me what my car is worth. Wrong again. They'll often give you what they think they can get away with. Busting these myths is important, but it's not the game changer. And trust me, the next tip I'm about to share is incredibly simple, yet so many people overlook it. So listen up. You might be wondering about the advice I gave Jim. You can easily understand it by thinking about looking for a job. Let me explain. Imagine you've got interviews lined up with 2 awesome companies. Would you go to just one and hope for the best? No. You'd go to both. It doubles your chances of landing a job and gives you options to choose the best offer. Well, the same is true with making a claim to get your car fixed after an accident. If you also make a claim with your own car insurance company, then you have 2 competing offers to choose from. With interest rates being high these days and most people taking loans to buy cars, every option matters. Insurance companies also don't have to consider your car loan when calculating its replacement value. But if there are 2 offers, you have something to work with. Yet so many people make the mistake of not also making a claim with their own insurance company. The first reason they don't do this is because they think that the other driver's car insurance company is going to do the right thing. This is especially true when you file a claim and talk to a friendly claims rep from the other driver's insurance company. They give you a claim number and you think that means you are going to get paid. While that does get the ball rolling, it does not guarantee payment. It just means that the other side will start a claim investigation. Here's the problem. The other insurance company can still deny coverage or even liability. If they do either of these, you may just be waiting for nothing. It's like waiting for a job offer that's never coming. The second reason why people don't make claims with their own car insurance company is because they are afraid that their rates will increase. But here's why this is bad thinking. First, you can close your claim at any time. If the other driver's insurance company makes a better offer than your own insurance company, your solution is simple. Just close the claim with your insurance company. Now, you can only take one offer, you can't take both. So here's some good news. Your car insurance company can't increase your rate unless you're substantially at fault for your crash. So if you're not mostly at fault, then you have nothing to worry about. And here's something else to consider. Your insurance company may increase your rates even if you don't make a claim. Some folks worry that making a claim will get them dropped by their insurance company. Usually that's not the issue. Most of the time you risk cancellation if you've had 3 accidents in the past 3 years. Now here's the word of warning that I mentioned earlier. Setting up a claim with your own insurance does mean a bit more work on your end, potentially more emails, letters, and phone calls from another adjuster. But most folks find that it's a small price to pay for potentially getting a much better deal. So weigh your options and decide what's best for you. Setting up a collision claim with your insurance company may increase the chance that you get paid fairly, but it's not enough to have the best chance of getting paid fairly for your entire case. You still need to know the shocking secrets about how car accident claims really work, so watch the video that's on screen now to learn those, or click the link in the description below. And if you've been seriously injured in a car accident in Florida and someone else is at fault, click the link in the description below to see if I could be the lawyer for you.